Hi! In front of me is Nokia T21 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this device. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling down. Then access Notifications. After that, scroll down again, click on App Settings under Manage, and click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to disable notifications, like Google Play Store. You can enable them by clicking on the same switcher again. If you want to, you can always click on one of your apps over here instead and manage all notifications thanks to this switcher next to all Google Play Store notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!